Good day, students. This is Teacher Edwin once again, and I'm here to discuss new topic. For grade 3, we will be going to learn parts of addition and addition properties. For grade 4, addition properties, parts of addition, and parts of subtraction. For grade 5, we will be going to learn order numbers and decimals. And for grade 6, ratio relationship. All of these lessons will be discussed this week. So students, I would like you to pay more attention in understanding the lesson and especially the importance of learning in these lessons. So students, be ready for more learning. Good day, students. Today, we will be going to discuss parts of addition, parts of subtraction, and properties of addition. Let's start first with part of addition. Parts of addition has two parts. We do have the addends and sum or total. Addends are the numbers we add. Sum or total is the answer in addition. Let's move into the parts of subtraction. Parts of subtraction has three parts. We do have the minuend, the subtrahend, and the difference. The minuend is the first number of the subtraction, followed by the subtrahend. And the answer in subtraction is what we call difference. Now, let us move into the properties of addition. Properties of addition has three parts. We do have the commutative property, associative property, and identity property. In commutative property of addition, you can add in any order. Example here, 2 plus 4 is the same as 4 plus 2. It will be equal to 6. Associative property of addition. You can group the numbers in any combination. All you have to do is use or put the numbers in the parentheses. Example, 1 plus 3 plus 4. You can combine 3 or you can group 3 and 4 or 1 and 3. Or you can even say 1 and 4. The third property of addition is the identity. The sum of any number and 0 is the number. In short, any number will be added to 0, the answer will be the number. Even you will be going to add 1 million to 0, the answer will be 1 million. It will not affect the sum or total. Ordering decimal numbers. There are always 3 steps you need to follow when you are ordering decimal numbers. Number 1, set the numbers with the decimal point in the same place for each number. Number 2, add 0 if necessary. And in number 3, compare the numbers by looking at their place value or to their value. Example that I have here, 45 and 891 thousandths, 45 and 99 thousandths, and 46 and 1 thousandths. So you have to arrange the numbers. Number 2, since all the numbers have the same numbers of digits, so no need for you to add any 0. Let's move into the third step. Look at the place value or look at the highest value. You can start by looking at the greatest place value for each number. So since all of the numbers here have the same tens, we can move into the ones. If the other one is different, you can separate it and look for the next number. The same in the place value for the decimal numbers. You have to look for the tenths, hundreds, and thousands. Ratio. A comparison of two quantities by division. Equivalent ratio. Ratios that express the same relationship between two quantities. Scaling. To multiply or to divide two related quantities by the same number. Ratio table. A table with columns filled with pairs of numbers that have the same ratio. Example here. You have 2/3, 3/4, and 2/2. You can simply put the numbers and use a ratio table by looking or by finding for the ratio that, or for the equivalent ratio that they may have. Now, after finding the equivalent ratio for each number, find the numbers that they have in common. So all of the numbers has 12 in the denominator. That is the number that you can use in graph. So therefore, 2/3 or 2 to 3 will give you 8 to 12. 3 to 4 will give you 9 to 12. And 2 to 2 will give you 12 to 12. So these are the ordered pair that you can use in graphing your ratio. After finding the numbers, you can graph into this graph. Always remember that. Always look for the X and followed by your Y-axis.